Are you tired of dealing with dust mites in your carpets? Well, you're not alone. Dust mites are one of the most common indoor allergens, and it can be hard to keep them from coming back. In this video, we'll discuss some effective ways to get rid of these pesky critters once and for all. The first step to getting rid of dust mites is to reduce the humidity levels in your home by using a dehumidifier or keeping windows open during humid days. You should also vacuum your carpets regularly with a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter, which helps trap the dust particles. Additionally, washing sheets and other bedding in hot water above 130 degrees Fahrenheit can help reduce their numbers, as well as using anti-dust mite sprays on your carpeting and pillows. Finally, investing in an air purifier equipped with HEPA filters is also beneficial as it traps allergens like pollen and pet dander. There are a few additional steps you can take to reduce dust mite infestations in carpets. Firstly, steam cleaning your carpets regularly can help remove and kill dust mites. Secondly, you can replace your carpets with hard surface flooring like wood, tiles, or vinyl, as these are more difficult for mites to survive on. So if you want to get rid of pesky dust mites from your carpets once and for all, then keep these simple tips in mind. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos.